Assalamu alaikum learners. Today we learn about request dispatcher. Request dispatcher includes two methods, forward method and include method. In forward method, we forward a request of one servlet to the next servlet. Second one servlet process the user request and directly forward the response to the user. In include method, user request the first servlet forward the request to the second servlet process on first servlet request and return back to the first servlet. First servlet include or add any resource in the response and give the response to the user. Let us explain it by project. Here we create a project request dispatching include. This request dispatching include project contains two servlet, my servlet and include servlet. In my servlet, it contains package my test request dispatching include. After that, import the Java libraries. Then we make a class my servlet which extends from HTTP servlet. Here process request method started. By using process request method, we can response user request which use get method or post method. It will handle both requests. Here we set the content type. It may be text or HTML through response object. After that, we make a get a print writer object out by using get writer method calling response by calling response object. After that, we start our HTML out.println HTML started tag body started tag h1 start of include request out.flash. Flash method will generate output on the screen. After that, we get servlet context object context by using getter of servlet context class get servlet context. With the help of this servlet context object, we get request dispatcher class object RD by using get request dispatcher. With the help of request dispatcher, which include string path of the next servlet, this RD object dispatch the request by using this path include servlet to the next servlet. After that, we called the request dispatcher method include using RD object request response. From here, our request will be forwarded to the include servlet.java. Here in include servlet.java, in the process request method, we get out object of print writer using get writer method. Here we include I am included, which is marquee h1 tag. This text will be included in the response of the my servlet object. After that, it returns to the first servlet. Here, first servlet will include end of include request. Body tag closes, HTML tag closes. In web.xml file, which is configuration file, contains the first servlet name, my servlet, second servlet name, include servlet. In mapping, first servlet name, my servlet, and its URL pattern is my servlet. Second, include servlet, URL pattern is include servlet. Now run our project and check the output. Here we include the first servlet URL, my servlet. Here we can see output of the request dispatcher method include. We write this on first servlet. I am included. This one is included from the second servlet. Getting return response from the second servlet, we add end of the include request. Our project is successfully completed. For any ambiguity, please comment in comment sections. Allah Hafiz.